I want you to imagine a bird that can stand 3 feet tall and rival the size of an elephant. This is the elephant bird, my next presentation that I'm currently uploading onto YouTube. Now, elephant bird had severely reduced optic lobes that was recently identified, and it was also said to be closerly related to the kiwi. Just a fun fact. Than it was to the ostrich. It was hypothesized that it was most likely nocturnal or crepuscular, active at night or during the early hours of the morning. And from recent studies, it's said to have eaten leaves, fruit, and bark in some areas, as well as grass in others. And its egg was about this size. Was larger than an ostrich's. So, if you haven't smashed that subscribe button and you want to hear more about this, click the circle below and find my the elephant bird presentation on YouTube, as well as many other prehistoric animals.